Hello everybody, Josh Moss with Advanced Plumbing Supply Company, and this August is Water Filtration Month. So let's talk a little bit about how we can help you drink cleaner water. So right here, we have our beautiful EWS Max Flow filter. Very easy install, very low maintenance, change it once a year. This filter here gets attached to the cold water side of your kitchen faucet or bathroom faucet. It can be teed off to an ice maker or even multiple faucets. The filter is rated at 2.5 gallons per minute, and it takes out everything. Chlorine, cyst, taste, odor, fluoride, VOCs, pharmaceuticals, you name it, it takes out pretty much everything. This filter here gets changed out once a year, or if you notice flow is getting reduced, it's usually time to change it there. This will give you the cleanest drinking water that you could have in your house. It's low maintenance, it goes underneath your kitchen faucet. So when you're ready to experience clean water and you're ready to get rid of all that bottled water that is actually not good for you because it sits in warm trucks, come on in and let's get purified.